Hi, hello. My name is Janvi Sharma, and by profession, I am a counseling psychologist and a certified therapist, CBT and RBT, which is cognitive behavior and rational emotive behavior therapy. So, my agenda today is not to talk about any psychological topic or give you any lecture on that. So today's video is the sole purpose is to just create an awareness regarding counseling or acceptance of counseling practices or counseling services from professionals. Because see, I want to tell you that in our day-to-day life we face many problems because people often complain about problems in their life. But what I want as a professional for people to know that problems will never go away from our lives. Our life itself is a composition where problem is an essential part. It plays an essential part in our life. So I just want to put this message across that our life will never be without problems. So we need to accept those problems, we need to accept those issues, we need to accept whatever we are facing in a day-to-day life, and accept that okay, I need help, I need to go and talk. At most times we feel that it's we can just forget about it, or we can just talk it over phone with someone, with relative, with friends, and it will be they'll share some concern, they'll give us feedback, and then it will be solved. But my dear people, I just want to let you know that it's fine if you want to talk to someone from your family member, from your relatives, any of your relatives, any of your friends. You want to let them know, it's okay. But when you know the intensity of emotions, you know the intensity of your problems, issues, the threshold till what level you can tolerate. But if not, then I recommend you go and talk to a professional, go to a professional counseling practitioner or a therapist, and accept that going to a therapist, going to a counselor is nothing wrong. And of course, there is no gender bias in it, that only girls can go, only women can go, men can too go. And it can be regarding any small issues. It shouldn't be like, oh, this is such a small matter, not able to handle. There's nothing such. Everything, every issue, every problem is like some problem may be simple for you, it may not be simple for someone else. So it differs from people to people. So it's okay to go and speak to a certified professional, certified counselor regarding any issue if you are not able to, if it's actually interfering in your daily functioning. By daily functioning, I mean your eating pattern, your sleeping pattern, your job, it's interfering in your education, it's interfering in your social life, any problem. So yes, you can come, and basically I'm from Guwahati, Assam. So people out there, if you feel the need, and of course I hope you don't, but if you feel, if you have the need, do come and visit the expert counselor website. You can book an appointment with them, to have a session. So I guess that will help you in venting out, and in discussing out what goals you want to work on, what issues you want to work on, how you want to work on. So it's not basically just you'll just talk and someone will listen, or it's not that you'll talk and someone will advise you. It's nothing like that. Okay, so you are the own guide to yourself. So you are the one who's gonna come up with, collaboratively with the counselor, collaboratively with the therapist. You are gonna decide on what goals, what problems you want to work on, and how you want to work on. The counselor is not gonna just throw at you that do this. No, he's not an advisor, he's not a guide. So you can collaboratively discuss and trust the counselor. And so hence I just request that whenever there is a need, please do go visit a therapist, visit a counselor, and yeah, that's it. So thank you.